Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be unboxing a package. Before we start, let's doing an intro. Box is come from my best friend. Okay guys, what inside the box? OMG, I'm so excited what inside the box, guys. Okay, let's open, guys. Let's open. Wow. Okay, Skada. Design in Korea. Wow, design in Korea. Kada tumbler. Tumbler? Wow. Kada tumbler. Ayun siya. Let your life be more brilliant. Wow. Okay. Let's open. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. OMG. Look at the ano guys, oh. The bubble wrap. Wow. So nice. Bubble wrap. Ayan guys. Wow. Kita nyo naman yung pangbalot niya, oh. Yung bubble wrap niya. Ang cute. So, two items. Wow. Guys. So, it's a tumbler. Tumbler, guys. Tumbler. It's a tumbler. Okay, open natin yung... Let's open the one tumbler. Oh, wow! I like the color, guys. Oh my God. It's so nice color. Wow! My favorite color. Wow, very nice. My favorite color, blue. This is my favorite color, guys, blue. OMG, it's so nice, so cute. Look at guys, oh my God. It's so cute. Wow. Oh. Ang ganda. So beautiful. And look so look good quality, guys. Wow. Yeah. And have a straw inside, straw. And also have a, what is this? A kitchen. A kitchen, guys. Yeah, kitchen, so cute. Kitchen. So, dito siguro ito nilalagay. Wow! Dito nga siya nilalagay, oh. So cute! OMG, so cute. Thank you so much. So cute. My favorite color. Oh my God. You know my favorite color. Thank you so much. Let's open the one box. Oh my God. I like the color too. I like the color too. Oh my God. So beautiful color. Red. Wow. Wow. With cherry design. Wow, it's so cute. Oh my God. I love this. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's stainless. Yeah. It's stainless inside, guys. Oh, look at inside. It's stainless. Stainless is inside, and also have a kitchen and straw inside. Wow. I think it's expensive, guys, because the quality is very good. Oh my God. This is my first time I received a tumbler. Oh my God, so very beautiful and so cute. Thank you so much for those people send it to me. Thank you. You know who you are. Thank you so much. Oh, look at so cute. Kada. The ano is Kada. The brand is Kada, guys. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, so nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this box, guys, is come from my best friend. Who you know who you are. Thank you so much for the package. I really love it. Thank you so much. I really love it, and it's big help to me to always drink water, because sometimes I forgot to drink water, guys. So this remind me to drink more water. This tumbler is remind me to always drink water. I really love the color and the design, and I think it's very good quality, guys. Look at. Oh my God. I'm so blessed. Thank you so much. God bless you. So cute. Thanks.